Alright, everyone. This is going to be an exciting special because we're going to draw not just one, but two legendary Pokemon. That's right. Two of the best Pokemon and the strongest. And yes, I have them in my card collection. We're going to draw Latios and Latias. Latias and Latios are brother and sister, and they're both legendary Pokemon. And they're both codenamed as the Eon Pokemon. And, well, they were seen in the first scene in the movie known as Pokemon Heroes, when they first introduced Hoenn region Pokemon into the Johto region. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
It's like they always show off the new legendary Pokemon first when they're releasing a new region of the newest Pokemon games. And yes, it's awesome. Known fact, there are no streets or roads in Hawaii. Because it's a small island, there are absolutely no roads. Oh, I meant absolutely no roads. All right. There's Latios, and here's Latias. I've been getting comments from the other people who have created Pokemon and Digimon. The two of them look like Sparrowmon from Digimon. The two of them look like Sparrowmon from Digimon Fusion. And, wow, they look awesome. Would it be awesome if Sparrowmon was an actual Pokemon? She would be like the third member of the Latios and Latias group. Alexa, play New World by Mommy.
Here's New World, Digimon's Rose Wars second stage off, by Mommy on Amazon Music.
There we go. Now we just draw, much like Latios, I must draw the hands. we go. There we go. Now here's the other wing. Now just imagine that they're flying together. And there we go, folks. There we go, everyone. That's how you draw latios and latias. And I've been getting this for quite a while. I've seen a lot of episodes and movies starring latios and latias as the good guys and heroes. And yes, latios and latias are my favorites. Alright, everybody. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character and what amazing and legendary Pokemon you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later!